Welcome to Rat Rod Rockstars. We had to mess with the steering today, so let me show you how it's done. Stay tuned. So our Ackerman geometry was out. I'm not going to go into detail on how that works, but Rat Rod Bob Builds has a whole video on how to fix that and stuff, so go check him out. So before the car was trying to push the inside tire, and now that it turns sharper, it'll actually just go with it. So the tie rod ends, they used to be straight back like this, and we need them to go at an angle like that. So we put 2-inch spacers on here and extended it out and extended the arms. Okay, so watch, whenever I'm going to turn the wheel, the inside wheel, which will be the left one, will turn a lot sharper than the outside wheel whenever we turn now. Before it wasn't. So yeah. We also had to extend the track bar since we added the 2-inch spacers. So we cut it here and here, added this inside little spacer piece, loaded her back up. Hope this helps everybody. Like and subscribe, stay tuned and check out our next video.